What you just saw is this light in its former home. This was given to me back, I believe, in 2012 by YouTube user Force311999. I hope I got your screen name correct. But anyway, we're going to take a look at this light. And several things have happened to this light. So, with that being said, we'll put the camera on the tripod and we will open this light up. Let's get the bulbs out of it first and speed this up. That's right, a lot has happened to this light since it was hung in my old house. First thing is, I touched it up. I repainted it a little bit. I put black stripes on it so it's black and white now. And second of all, most importantly, it got new ballasts. Let's take a look at these ballasts here. These ballasts are European ballast, Schwab ballasts, specifically designed for a 20-watt lamp. We put 2 of them in here. And we got some new wiring in here. So let's take a look around this fixture and you can see the paint. I painted the chassis black and left the original paint for white stripes. So now we're going to put it back together, put the lamps on it and fire it up. Here we go. Let's get it put back together. Alright, are you ready for the fire up? Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Totally awesome. We'll do this a couple more times. That's awesome. Well, anyway, the cool thing about these ballasts is they only have about 5 watts of ballast loss each. The whole fixture is pulling 52 watts, and each lamp is supposed to be a 20-watt lamp. You may be asking, what is the fate of this light fixture? Well, it's going to be used. Let's do this one more time. It is going to be used right in here in the guest bedroom, which now I have 2 beds in here. It's going to go up there. That's what's currently there. And we also have this light from Jacob right here on top of the air conditioner. So I hope you enjoyed this little update, and look at this light we haven't seen on my channel in many, many years. That's right, I believe this was given to me back in 2012, and it was used in my bedroom in my old house for the longest time. But now it's about to be used again, and it also has these beautiful Arrow Heart lamp holders on it. New old stock Arrow Heart lamp holders. So again, a huge thank you, Force, for this light you gave me a long time ago. It is beautiful and is about to be put back into service. With that being said, hope you enjoyed it. And that will be it. Bye, y'all. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do. Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.